Oh, God, people, thanks for falling back to the patwanewsnetwork. Big up on yourself, you don't know. So, pass through a very eventful week so far, and we have a whole heap of news to talk about on the news network today. So, as a new start, we are going to do something, and we know someone are going to eat for this. But anyway, catch your mic, a lie? Time for news read, a lie? Patwanewsnetwork, the baddest news network on the planet, and I have to ask Christ, a lie? Hold on, we can stop. Because I know someone as I say, I got eat to feed, but also, realize the brother of bust a new talk here road, everybody take over here now. Him start sing about science. We over here up on patwanewsnetwork deal with the science thing. Especially the type of science where he might talk about. We only deal with the one they did in high school and them thing there. So we're going to move right past that and run right into the news right now. We go chop a line now. Producer, I know so we are trying to be up to date with the local slang them and them thing. But that choppy line something there. No scamming sitting that. Sorry about that, people. Sorry about that. Broadcasting Commission. I know so probably I watch. Me I beg you, do not find me and lock me up. I have nothing to do with that line because I read them sit on the teleprompter and the producer them write it. I did not do it willingly. I was forced it. Now, as we talk about Broadcasting Commission, first thing on the news, people, as everybody's supposed to know by now, Jamaica Broadcasting Commission. Hold on there. JBC? Yeah, people, so another week gone, the Broadcasting Commission put out a release. They said them put a ban on all music containing and promoting illegality, mali, music where contain scamming and all them things. And we want to say to the Broadcasting Commission, well done. But we have two questions for us, just two. Why not take so long? No, it's a serious question. Why it take so long? Years upon years. Music can make with illegality. But on a serious level still, a long time this is going because the airwaves right now is polluted. But the second question I want to ask you, Broadcasting Commission. So since you now put a ban on this now, what do you expect the radio station them to play? The music only deal with certain topic, Is either you wap wap wap? Is either you tell Miss Jen how you have teeth? Is either you tell a man say you have crocodile teeth? Or you tell Smiley say you take Mali? Are them topic they in the dancer right now? And are them thing they play upon the radio? But Broadcasting Commission big up on yourself want to do. But I want to tell you no do. Uno is a wicked. Uno is a wicked because right now the artists them have to use them brain. Uno give the man them hard work because you can't just go in a studio and go fall back on the topic them wanna always talk about. We wanna talk about Mali and not talk about scamming and wanna talk about this and that. We have to come up with new topics to give the people them. And what heap of work when they give them to do. And we over here so glad feet. We can move on to the next piece of news. Hold on, before we go on to the next piece of news, so you can now watch everything in a 4K? Yeah man, look on the screen. For y'all who watch it on YouTube, you're supposed to see one 4K icon somewhere up there. So yeah, you can watch the thing in a 4K and we think turn up loud like the food price them. Turn up like this is a new rate them. Yeah man, $10.99 for talk for 1 minute. Yeah man, they turn up like the gas price them. As a matter of fact, we noticed something, You can't buy food in Jamaica now because everything turn up. We notice you can't talk to nobody right now because phone price them go out of hand and we realize more and more so you can't drive going away. So we're in trouble. Well, we could talk about the gas price a little bit. You realize that the gas price has skyrocketed out of control. Diesel gone up by $4.50 people over the last week, And must be 25 cents add-on to the regular gas price. You realize that we can't afford people driving a one car, Me, I wait for the day when they can peep in one car and catch water and chew in one car gas tank. Them time there, the world shall be a better place because we can use our own bodily fluid and drive around the place. That smells stink though. Sure about that. But yeah man, it get really desperate in Jamaica right now. It get very difficult for living in another country. As we talk about difficult for living in the country. So let me bag a house over the last 2 weeks or so in the country. And we have people on different sides of the fence. Some people glad to them get lit down. Some people feel very sympathetic. And they have the next set of people them now. Where I wonder why the government so wicked. Now as you might know, PNN is one of the most objective news network them. Right producer? So we're not going to take a side on that one. We just want to say one thing. Mr. Honest. Why you have to go and hook up the people and make it look like say, and never you? But we're not going to say are you. Why you go and hook up the people like say, and never the government lick down the people house? It look away man. It almost feel like say, you send a man, if you go beat up a man and you go hook up the man and say, oh look man you. Oh God, me feel so sorry, see your mouth blood up and your teeth them leak out. Come here, have me hug you up and make you feel good. It's not a good look. People are not happy about it. The streets are saying that they're upset about it. As a matter of fact, because it shows that you don't care. Even though you look like you try to show say you care, you don't care. That is what the streets are saying. Remember say paying an objective panel one that we're not taking aside. Was I tell you what the streets are saying it don't look good and them is not happy. So Elon Musk, yeah man, same Elon Musk who own Tesla and him own Twitter and them thing there. Him have a company named Starlink, which is a communication company with internet and all them thing there. Well, them have plans of settling in Jamaica and get approval for settle down in Jamaica as another telecoms company, another internet company and them thing, the service provider. We have a problem when next company come out there, but we want to notice something. We don't realize that we not build up no factory. We not export as how we used to back in the day when the parents used to tell us how we used to make everything. Factory, I'm not going to go downtown, they see a bag of old building with factories today. And it's like, nothing now going to Jamaica to develop the country. Them money we are coming in the country, I take the money and carry back to them yard, it not settling in the country. Yeah, I get a couple jobs out there, but how the country are better off when the billions of dollars them are go back overseas. We don't care about Starlink right now, to be honest. We have so much stress with digital and Lime and the whole of them. We don't care about no Starlink. We need some productive sector right now, different link we want. Now, over the last couple of weeks, when the rain they are falling them thing there very much, we didn't make them know so we want to send in some picture and video and them thing there of the sign, the same zinc fence sign down on the grill. Now, what have we voluntary report of them? Yes, voluntary, because patwanewsnetwork over here can't afford to pay nobody for report on their behalf. So them volunteer themselves for sending information. When they get it, don't feel like so rich over here. What have we voluntary report of them? Sending them footage here to make we know what going on with the sign and to make we know what is up with the sign. So we are watching the sign. Regina, talk to the people a little bit there.
Reporting for PNN News, the sign is still there. This is October 2nd and the sign is still there after all the rains. All the rains.
Now, as you can see, people, the sign is very much intact. It's very much still there. Some old and thing in it as far as we hear and it dent up, but it is still very much there. Now, we are thinking to start a series. Every quarter, we will watch the sign and see what going on with it. So people in the grill who are going to visit, we are begging you, send in on footages, video, picture and them things so we can know what's going on with the sign. And when the sign build down a town, we are going to do the same thing. We are going to watch the sign and see what's going on with them and see how much work I do on them over the next couple of years. Next piece of news right now, people. We need some sporting news. Now, as you know, two members of the run left them gang. Shelly and Price and Shericka Jackson. Them nominated for Female Athlete of the Year. I'm telling you something, people. That's something to celebrate. That's something to say, yeah, man, I feel good about it, man. No, we don't care which one of them win. We just want to say one of them need to win. And that's how they're right now. So we are begging to go vote for them. We're going to leave a link on them something so they can go vote. But make sure you go vote for them, man. Make Jamaica proud and them things that's I want to do, man. Them win. Feel good. Next piece of sporting news. And I want a long overdue. We have to take the opportunity to big up Jamaica Talawas. Now, as you know, we are the same one where it say Jamaica Talawas are play a bat up and catch because of how bad them they are going over the last couple of years when they come on to the CPL T20. Well, them turn it around and them win the cup this year. We feel good for them, man. Big up on yourself, Talawas. And do the country proud and do yourself proud and take home the cup this year in the 10th year. That's significant when everybody say, "Una could do it, una did it." When you stop play bat up and catch down, when you start play some cricket, and we're proud of it. We keep supporting, you know. Yeah, man. Thanks for about people. The news that, you know. Yeah, man, no more news to give you. But I just want to tell you, thanks for about the Patwanewsnetwork, the baddest news network on the planet. Big up on yourself. You don't know.